Hello and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today I'll be making peach cobbler. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. You will need 3 pounds of frozen peaches, 1/2 cup of butter, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of brown sugar, 1½ teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/8 teaspoon of nutmeg, and 1 box of rolled pie crust. Roll out one of your pie crusts and place it on the bottom of a baking dish. Sprinkle cinnamon and sugar on your crust, then lightly rub it in. Now place your dish in the preheated oven and allow it to cook for 10 minutes, then remove it and set it aside until later. Using medium-high heat, bring your pan to temperature, then melt your butter. Add your peaches, cover, and allow them to cook for 5 minutes. Now add the lemon juice, vanilla extract, nutmeg, cinnamon, brown sugar, and sugar. Then allow your peaches to cook for 10 minutes, stirring frequently. Add your peaches to your baking dish, then top with the remainder of your crust. Sprinkle cinnamon and sugar on your top crust, then transfer your cobbler to the preheated oven and allow it to cook for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, remove your cobbler from the oven and allow it to cool, and then it is ready to serve. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel, where I get to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. And Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to grasp how to make great food with steps made for you.